Students, through this recorded video of mine, today we will learn how to use models appropriately in sentences. And here is a solved worksheet showing some sentences for the uses of various models. The first sentence is, now I know everything, you need not say anything. It is now not necessary for you to tell me anything as I know everything. So in the sense of not necessary, we must use need not. So the second sentence is, I'll drop you at your home by car. You need not go on foot. It is not necessary for you to go home on foot now as I have got a car and I will drop you there. So here also in the second sentence, the sense is of not necessary, so we have used need not. The third sentence says, when he was young and muscular, he would or used to wrestle. In the sense of some past habit, we use either of these two models, would or used to. The use of either of these two models will be correct at their own places, so you can use either would or used to here. The fourth sentence is, shall we have lunch here in this restaurant? She asked her friends. Fourth sentence. When the speaker wants to know the opinion of the person being asked. I am repeating. When the speaker wants to know the opinion of the person being asked, we use shall in such a sense. And such sentences generally start this way. Shall I or shall we? So here in this sentence, we wonder what the other person's opinion is about the topic being discussed. So we have used here shall be. The fifth sentence is, nobody shall touch the displayed items in the museum. Fifth sentence. When there is the sense of some prohibition in a sentence, means if something is restricted to be done, we use either must not or shall. If the given sentence starts with some negative word, we use shall, or if not, then must not. So here in the fifth sentence, you can see the sentence starts with a negative word nobody. So we have used here shall, and the sense is of prohibition. The sixth sentence is, the manager said to hurry, you shall be given your salary tomorrow. Sixth sentence. If the sentence shows pure future, means normal sentences of future, we use shall for IV and will for rest of the pronouns and names. But if there is the sense of determination, intention, threat or promise, we do vice versa. That is, we use will with IV and shall with rest of the things. And here in this sentence, the sense is of promise. That is why we have used here shall with you. Now the seventh sentence says, will you play with us? It is a simple sentence showing future tense. Therefore, we have used here will. Will you play with us? Eighth sentence, you have to modify yourself lest I should punish you. After the use of last in a sentence, we have to use should. Now ninth sentence, eat salubrious means healthy foodstuffs only, else you may fall sick. There is a comma just after the use of the word only. Okay, so put here comma in your notebook. So I am saying, if there is else or otherwise any one out of these two words, else or otherwise, in a sentence, then we use may necessarily. If any one out of these two words, else or otherwise, happens to come, then in that case we use may necessarily. Now the 10th sentence is, keep yourself on a nutrient strict diet or you will probably put on a lot of weight. 10th sentence. After the use of the word or, after the use of the word or in a sense of otherwise in a sentence, we use will. So here or is there in this sentence, so we have used here will. Now the 11th sentence. All the employees must reach office tomorrow before 9 anyhow. When there is the sense of some order or command in a sentence, we use must. Okay, so we have used here must. 12th sentence. All the lights of the house are on. Someone must be there inside. Here in this sentence, the sense is of a strong possibility. That is why we have used here must for the person being there in the house. In the sense of a strong possibility, we use must. Now the next sentence. The police must ensure the proper maintenance of law and order in the society. In the sense of some duty or obligation, we use must. So here the sense is of duty, so we have used here must. Now the next sentence. I would die rather than ask alms. Alms means to beg, but it is a noun. The 14th sentence. In the sense of preference, means if the speaker gives more importance to a thing than the other one, we use would. If the speaker gives more importance to a thing than the other one, we use would. So here we have used would. Now the next sentence. I hope there must be some reason as he has been fired all of a sudden. In the sense of strong possibility, we use must. So here the sense is of strong possibility, therefore must. Next sentence. My pain is ineffable, means unspeakable. I can't say anything about it. For showing inability, we use can't. So here we have used can't. Next sentence. The last bus has also gone. Now he might come. I want you all to go your respective homes. I am repeating the sentence. The last bus has also gone. Now he might come. I want you all to go your respective homes. As even the last bus has also gone, so there is very less possibility for him to come now. And in such a sense of comparatively less possibility, we use might. So here we have written might in the blank space. Next sentence. Can I wear your suit for tonight's party? For informal permission, this way we use can. For informal permissions, we use can. Next sentence. The teacher may be irate with us. Irate means angry with us, since we both have been out without his permission for a whole period. For more possibility, we thus use may. Okay, and for there is more possibility for the teacher to be angry with us, as we have been out without his permission. There is more possibility for the teacher to be angry with us. So we have used here may. Now the last sentence. Formerly means previously or earlier. He would or used to smoke cigarettes a lot, but now he has quit smoking altogether. In the sense of past habit, we use would or used to. So any one out of these two models will be correct at its place. So hope you all have understood. Thank you very much for watching the video.